we here to talk about this. This is what we are here to talk about and unbox it. Okay, so I'm recording a video for YouTube and TikTok at the same time. So I got this. This is the Resiners Resin PurAir. And as y'all know, I have a dog, and resin is not healthy for your pets or you either. So I needed something that was going to purify my air when I make my tumblers. Y'all already know that I have the oven. I didn't use it yet. I didn't make a video tumbler with it yet because I got this. So I'm figuring with the oven and this at the same time, we should be good. So let's unbox it, shall we? I got this. Well, it was a gift to me. This was a Christmas gift. And yeah, they purchased it from Amazon for $169. It's going for on Amazon. On the actual resin website, it is $199. So yeah. I think they give you an extra 20% off on their website, but I'm not really too sure. So let's get into the unboxing, shall we? If he would have got it from Resiners, it would have been longer to come. So right here, we have the manual. I got a phone call on TikTok. We also have the plug. We have the purifier. This is how big it is. Let me adjust YouTube because YouTube can't see the whole thing. TikTok can, but YouTube can't. So let me zoom out for YouTube. Bam, there you go. Y'all can see the whole thing. So that's how it is. I'm happy that this is wrapped in plastic because I will be keeping it stored in the plastic so dust and stuff like that will stay out of it. I did peek at the manual last night, and it does say try to keep dust and stuff from out of it. The filter is already in here, so I don't have to do any of that. All I have to do is just plug it up and turn it on, which I'm not going to do because I'm not using resin right now. So the goal is for me to use this prior to, because they said start it before you start working with your resin and everything else like that. So that's the goal, to start this and then do my resin with my tumblers. I also, like I said, I have the oven right here. So this cures the tumbler within 2 hours. This purifies the air. So I should be good with this and this. I don't know how to open this because I do see plastic in here. So let me see. Oh, pretty much twist and unlock. So there you go. This is the filter. You can order filters from Resiners and also off of Amazon. I'm not going to take the filter out because, like I said, I'm not using it right now. And it does say this side must be facing upward on the filter right here. So yeah, when I'm ready to use it, which will be in a couple of days, I will take the plastic completely off and everything. And this just, I guess, twists back on. And then that's it. So yeah, y'all, this is it. You just turn it on. I'm not plugging it in because I don't want the fan to start and I got the plastic on, but it tells you basically the UVCs of your resin that's in your air. So when you start mixing up your resin, it gives off this type of odor, and that is the UOC. I think that's what it's called, the UOC, and it basically gives you, green means good, yellow means modern, red is high. So it glows in here and it will basically tell you the levels of your VOC for your resin. And it basically will purify the air for your house, apartment, everything else. Now, please keep in mind when I do my stuff, I do it in my living room because this is where all of my things are. So I will have both of my windows open and as well as a fan going to air out everything. And now that I have this extra protection, so me and my dog will be in the back and everything. And then the oven, which is right here. So let's move this over so I can put the oven up here. So I have the oven right here, and the oven will basically cure the tumbler within 2 hours. This will clean the air. So I have like a whole system. Plus, with my windows open, and right now it is in the winter time, so it's kind of cold in New York. So I will have my windows cracked open. I will have my fan on. I will have this going and this going at the same time to basically purify the air and cure the tumbler within 2 hours, because this is oven for tumblers. I should be pretty good as far as the VOCs in the air, and let my house air out completely before my dog come up here and sleep at night. Now, if I feel like the air isn't, I won't turn this off until it turns green and let me know that the VOCs is that my air quality up here is good after I cure my tumbler. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. Hopefully everything works as well as I'm hoping it would, fingers crossed. And I could get back to making my tumblers and stuff like that. Now, I do have a tumbler from the Stainless Steel Depot that I want to try and test this out, this theory that I have in my mind, and see if that will actually work and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I keep this together because I don't want it to, like, once I snapped this on the cover, I just left it. So yeah, but this is what I have, y'all. This is my little tumbler setup. So y'all gonna get more creative videos from me. Like I said, I can't keep every single tumbler that I use, that I create or make. So a lot of my tumblers will be one of ones. I don't have a website right now. So if you want a custom tumbler from me, or if you want a tumbler that I simply made, a lot of my creative tumblers are going to be one of ones, unless, you know, someone really, really, really like it. I will let y'all know what tumbler is for sale and stuff like that. I will be going live on my TikTok to sell tumblers. So yeah, I might start my website back up, but I am changing my name for my business. It will no longer be the Self-Made brand anymore, as I do like the Self-Made brand, but because I am super duper creative, I want creative to be part of my name. So yeah, I'm not going to announce the name just yet, but it is on TikTok. If y'all can figure it out, but yeah, so I'm thinking about getting my website back. I might get it back. So this way, you know, I could figure it out. But as of right now, it will not. I might just have an order form where you can go and make your payments and everything else. And it will still be sort of kind of, it will be like a website, but not really. So I'm thinking about going through Job Forms or maybe Google Form, but I know Google Form doesn't take payments. Job Form does. And I do have a Square account, all of that stuff. So I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to go the inexpensive route right now, being that I just now stepped getting my foot back into the door of things. So yeah, y'all, this is my setup for right now. This is what I am going to be using and how I'm going to be creating my tumblers. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Bye.